Hey guys, it's Shalise and I'm here with a makeup tutorial. I'm going to be trying to create an eye look with the What's the Tea Iced Tea Eyeshadow Palette from the Balm. And I've had this for quite a while and I've been just going through palettes and using different things and kind of, playing around. So today I decided to play around with this one. So this is what it looks like. It has beautiful shimmers and really nice mattes as well. And then it has a natural primer and a black primer to change the colors of the shadows. So I figured, let me go ahead and see what I'm going to wear tomorrow, and then let me try a look tonight to see how it's going to be, because I'm really out of practice with my eyeshadow and my makeup period. And so this is the perfect time to just try it out. So if you want to see what I come up with, keep watching. Okay, so my goal is to use everything from this palette, and since it has primers in it, I'm going to go ahead and use those primers too. I don't know how they're going to perform, but we shall see. And it has a nice, huge mirror right here, if you can. Don't pay attention to my mess, but yeah. So I'm going to also be looking into this quite a bit. So I'm going to start with the primer here. And I'm using a flat brush. And I'm just going to kind of place it all over my lid. Okay, so I have my primer in place. And I think I'm going to add a little black primer to the outside, because I think I want to use one of these darker shadows and I want it to kind of pop. Maybe not. Let me revisit that in a little bit. So I think I'm going to start with Talk of the Town, which is this nice dark gray blue color. And I'm gonna go in with my Moda BMX 420 detail brush. And I think I might try like a halo eye. Let's see. I'm really just kind of packing it in. I want to go a little bit above my crease because my eyes are aging. So they're starting to droop a little bit. So I want to make sure that you can see it. And then I'm going to go to the inner corner. Kind of like that. So I'm going to pack some more in. Then I'm going to go in with a clean Moda Pro BMX 430 crease brush and blend that out. And I don't want to overwork it because we're going to go in with another color on top of that to blend it out even more. Okay, so it just looks something like that. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. Okay, so it should look something like that. I'm now going to take my shader brush by, I'm going to take this just regular, what is it, it's something, it's an eyeshadow, kind of fluffy, kind of flat brush. I'm going to go in with the Buzz, and I'm going to lightly tap into it and use that to help blend out. Okay. And that's giving it just a little bit of a shimmer. And adding a little bit of green to it. Okay, and I'm seeing that there's a little bit of blotchiness over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill that back in. Take my blending brush and blend that in. And that basically fixed that problem, and then go in with the green again. Alright, so that's how that should look. I'm getting Ursula vibes right now. I'm hoping it changes up. I'm just playing around, guys, so, you know, makeup is to be played with. I'm now going to go into Oh Snap and just kind of blend that all the way up. And that's this color here. Now this is a cool toned palette. So if you don't do well with cool tones, this is not the palette for you. And I keep looking over into my mirror thinking it's the camera, and it's not, obviously. Alright, so that's what we're looking at so far. I am going to need to get rid of some of this in the inner corner, so I'll be right back. Okay, that is much better. That was just getting a little too dark for me. But I still do want some darkness there because we're doing a halo. So I am now going to take my concealer, or not concealer, but my flat brush here, go back into the primer. And I'm going to just kind of cut out the center here. You know what, let me get a more precise brush. Okay, this one should be better. And something like that. Okay, so now I'm going to go into, what am I going to start with? You know what? I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to go into Kiss and Tell, which is this really pretty, like hollow tone. And I am going to place it right where I placed that concealer. Like that. Okay. And I like it because it looks white, but it's totally like, it has a blue shift to it. So I'm actually going to go in with Talk of the Town and the Buzz again. Well, actually I'm going to go in with the Buzz first. And I'm going, once I find the brush I used, I'm going to blend in the sides here. So it's not such a harsh line. Just place it right here, kind of working into Kiss and Tell. See a nice green. Oh, that's so pretty. Again, I'm just kind of patting it in and then blending it. You know, I'm going to add some on the inside too. See, that's what I love about makeup. You can, you know, play around until you find something that really works for you. And this is definitely working much better for me now. So then I'm going to go in again with talk of the town and just kind of darken the very outside and the crease. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I was a little worried, guys, but now I'm starting to really love it. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. So pretty. So, and now my friend does it all the time, and never mind, I'm just leave it alone. So I'm gonna take my blending brush and just kind of blend that out a little bit, not overworking it. Yes, I don't know what's up with that. I don't know if I have a scar right there that I didn't know about, but it, or maybe it's too much. It might be too much primer right there or something, but I don't know why it's catching like that. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. I kind of love it. I do. I kind of love it. So, all right, let me finish. And I think that's all the blending I'm gonna do, because I don't want to, I really don't want to overwork it. All right, so yeah, I like this palette. The color payoff is great. The primer I'm not really sold on, but it's there and available in one palette. You just kind of gotta work it. So I am now, you know, I want to add a little more. Hold on, don't judge. I want to add a little more of Kiss and Tell to bring out that, yeah, there we go. See, just to bring that effect out. I'm gonna place it first on both eyes, and then I just kind of want to, there we go, just kind of pat it and blend it a little bit. Yeah, that's much better. Alrighty, so then I'm going to add some eyeliner. I'll be right back. Alright, I got my eyeliner on, and tomorrow I think I'm gonna, oh, I guess I should do something to my brows, huh, because they're pitiful. So I'm using my MAC Spiked Eyebrow Pencil. And that's basically so you know that they're there. All right. I am gonna be fly tomorrow at work. Thank goodness. I can wear whatever kind of makeup I want to at work. Let me grab some mascara. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Mascara on, and like I said, I think this is because of the base. I'm not quite sure, but what can you do now? Like I said, I'm gonna wash this off pretty soon and go to bed anyway. So normally that's where I would kind of stop, but I think I'm gonna try out some blush. So, okay, let's see the color. So this is my Zoeva, is it Zoeva? Yeah, Zoeva Premier Blush Trio, and I'm gonna go in with this. Oh no, let's go in with this color. It's more like a highlight, but yeah. And again, you know, wearing a mask, I'm not really gonna be wearing blush, but I do like how that looks with this color. And then with the lip this bold, I'm not really trying to wear any bold lipsticks. So I have my Tresemme Mini Lip Glaze set. I think I want to go in with this cool like pink color, which isn't really a color because it's a glaze, but let's see. Oh yes, this is great. This is great. It mutes my lips. Oh my god, wonderfully. To enhance the eyeshadow. It feels really comfortable. Now I feel like I have too much blush on. Well, you know, whatever. It's done now. So, let's see. I'm pretty sure I'll wear my hair down like this tomorrow, or do I want to pull it up? I might pull it up so that it shows my makeup better. Yeah, it's going to be something along the lines of this, so. Alright guys, this is my finished look. It's kind of finished because tomorrow I'll be wearing lashes and all that. Maybe I'll take a picture and post it, but I'm digging it. I'm so glad I decided to just play around with it tonight and see what happens. So let me know what you think, and yeah, that's how it looks closed. I hope you guys like it. So let me know what you think, and let me know what you want to see on my channel. I'm doing, you know, cooking. I haven't worked out in a bit. Shh, don't tell anybody. But makeup, lifestyle. Just let me know what you want to see. And I'm really trying to build this channel. I need your guys' help. So I will talk to you next time.